Italy, renowned for its rich winemaking tradition, offers an array of breathtaking vineyards and world-class wineries that delight the senses and the soul. Embark on this viticultural journey through Italy's finest wine regions, history, and a bit of great gossip. Tuscany, the heart of Chianti. Kickstart your Italian wine adventure in Tuscany, the iconic home of Chianti. Picture yourself driving along winding roads flanked by cypress trees, with vineyards producing world-renowned Chianti Classico, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. The landscape here seems plucked from a Renaissance painting, with undulating hills adorned with sun-soaked vineyards and medieval towns. Don't miss a visit to Castello di Garazzano, where passionate tour guides make every moment magical, blending historical anecdotes with wine-tasting sessions that leave you both entertained and enlightened. The Chianti region is not just about the wine. It's an immersion into the Italian way of life, where every sip of wine tells a story as old as the hills. Imagine ending your day with a sunset view over the vineyards, glass in hand, toasting to the timeless beauty of Tuscany. Piedmont, the noble Nebbiolo. In the northwest, Piedmont beckons with its elegant Barolo and Barbaresco wines, made from the noble Nebbiolo grape. This region offers a sensory feast, with rolling hills and charming towns that seem to be straight out of a fairy tale. Traverse the Lang and Roro Hills to visit historic cellars and family-run wineries like Madonna del Luvo, where 4 generations have crafted exceptional wines with meticulous care. As you explore, you'll discover that Piedmont is also a gastronomic paradise, famous for its white truffles and rich, hearty cuisine that pairs perfectly with the local wines. Every sip of Barolo is like tasting liquid history, a complex dance of flavors that reflects the region's terroir and centuries-old winemaking traditions. Add to that the charm of Piedmont's local festivals and markets, and you have an experience that's as enriching culturally as it is culinarily. Veneto, the land of Prosecco and Amarone. Veneto, home to Venice, isn't just about canals and gondolas. This region produces the effervescent Prosecco and the rich, velvety Amarone. Imagine enjoying a glass of Prosecco while overlooking the serene vineyard vistas along Lake Garda. At Tenuque Fasoli Larena, you'll find a perfect blend of organic wines and stunning landscapes, a testament to the region's commitment to sustainable winemaking practices. The area's diverse terroirs, from the foothills of the Alps to the rolling plains, contribute to the unique flavors of its wines. Veneto is a region where tradition meets innovation, and every glass of wine is a celebration of its vibrant culture and history. And yes, you can pop that Prosecco and still keep your pinky up classy right beyond the bubbles. Explore charming towns like Verona, adding a dash of romance to your wine tour. Sicily, wines of the sun. Sicily, with its sun-drenched vineyards, cultivates indigenous grapes like Nero d'Avola and Caricante. This island's winemaking tradition dates back thousands of years, influenced by the various cultures that have settled here. Head to Tenuta di Facina, nestled beneath Mount Etna, where the volcanic soil infuses the wines with unique flavors. The dramatic landscapes and rich history add an extra layer of flavor to your wine tasting experience. As you sip on a glass of Etna Rosso, you can almost feel the island's history and passion in every drop. Sicily's wines are a true reflection of its rugged yet beautiful terrain, offering a taste of the island's soul with every glass. Don't forget to pair your wine with local delicacies like arancini and cannoli for a truly Sicilian feast. Lombardy, sparkling Franciacorta. For sparkling wine enthusiasts, Lombardy's Franciacorta is a must-visit. Known for its high-quality bottle-fermented sparkling wines, Lombardy offers a picturesque backdrop of mountain valleys and lakes. The region's cool climate and varied terroirs make it ideal for producing elegant, refined, sparkling wines. Alto Adige also charms with its Pinot Gris and Gewürztraminer, wines that capture the essence of the alpine landscape with their crisp, clean flavors. Lombardy's wines are as diverse as its landscapes, offering something for every palate. Whether you're a fan of bubbly or still wines, this region promises a memorable tasting experience amidst some of Italy's most stunning scenery. And as you savor these sparkling delights, take time to explore the region's charming villages and rich culinary traditions. Umbria, the green heart of Italy. In the serene expanse between Assisi and Spello, Tilivini Winery welcomes visitors with organic wines and delightful bruschettas. This family-run winery prides itself on sustainable practices and a deep respect for the land. Explore the winery's olive oil production and enjoy traditional Umbrian lunches, making it a feast for both the palate and the eyes. The region's rolling hills and medieval towns provide a picturesque setting for your wine adventures. In Umbria, wine tasting is more than just a sensory experience. It's a journey into the region's rich history and culture, where every glass tells a story of tradition and innovation. As you meander through the vineyards, you'll feel the serene ambience that has inspired countless artists and poets. Sardinia, Island Wines. Sardinia's Azienda Vinicola Contini, located on the picturesque Sinis Peninsula, offers a historical journey through its vineyards spanning across the Turso Valley and up the slopes of Mount Arsi. The wines here, crafted with centuries-old techniques, are as captivating as the island's crystal-clear waters. Sardinia's unique climate and soils give its wines distinctive characteristics that set them apart from mainland Italian wines. The island's winemakers blend tradition with modern techniques to produce wines that are both unique and reflective of Sardinia's rich cultural heritage. A visit to Sardinia's wineries is not just about tasting great wines. It's about experiencing the island's vibrant history and stunning natural beauty. And while you're there, indulge in the local seafood paired with vermentino for a perfect gastronomic experience. Trentino Alto Adige, Alpine elegance. Nestled among majestic peaks, Trentino Alto Adige produces both exquisite whites like Pinot Gris and robust reds from indigenous varieties. The high mineral content from the Dolomite Mountains gives these wines a distinctive, refreshing quality. This region is known for its breathtaking landscapes, with majestic white peaks, forests, and wide valleys that provide a stunning backdrop for your wine-tasting adventures. The local winemakers take pride in their sustainable practices and deep connection to the land, ensuring that every bottle reflects the unique terroir of the region. Trentino Alto Adige's wines are a true reflection of the alpine elegance and pristine nature of this beautiful part of Italy. As you explore, don't miss out on the region's culinary delights, which perfectly complement its diverse wines. Campania, ancient wines. In the shadows of ancient ruins, Campania's wineries like Fuigi e San Gregorio offer a taste of history with modern flair. The volcanic soils of this region, particularly around Mount Vesuvius, enhance the flavor profile of wines, such as Aglianico and Fiano di Avellino. Campania's winemaking tradition dates back to ancient times, and the region's wines are a testament to its rich heritage. The local winemakers combine ancient techniques with modern innovations to produce wines that are both complex and approachable. As you explore Campania's vineyards, you'll discover a world where history and modernity blend seamlessly, creating wines that are truly unique. And, for an unforgettable experience, pair these wines with the region's famous pizza and fresh mozzarella di bufala. Puglia, Southern Charm. Puglia, the heel of Italy's boot, boasts sun-kissed vineyards producing robust reds like Primitivo and Negromaro. Visit Tormaresca, where the combination of traditional methods and innovative techniques results in wines that embody the soul of the South. Puglia's warm climate and fertile soils make it an ideal region for viticulture, and its wines are known for their bold flavors and rich aromas. The region's winemakers take great pride in their craft, producing wines that reflect the unique character of Puglia. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a casual enthusiast, a visit to Puglia's wineries promises a memorable experience filled with southern charm and hospitality. While there, don't miss the chance to explore Puglia's stunning coastline and ancient olive groves. And that's a wrap on our vinous voyage through Italy. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Cheers to more adventures, one glass at a time.